Okay, welcome back. Excuse me. What we want to look at is circuit components and their functions. Now what this means is that we're looking at the symbols that makes up a circuit that you would need to use to show in a diagram what you're trying to say. Now, engineers use symbols, and these symbols are recognized around the world. Okay? Now there's not a lot here for me to speak about, but look at the symbols, draw them out, make sure you become familiar with how they are structured and drawn. Know what they relate to, so you're not trying to figure out or guess what the symbols mean. Read the information, draw out the symbols for yourselves. Make sure that the information given that you are familiar with and it is your information. Okay? And that you can use it anywhere. Now again here, I try to make sure that all the information is on screen, so you're not left wondering what this means, okay? Now make sure when you're dealing with diodes especially that you know which diode you're dealing with, okay? Whether it is a Zener or otherwise. Remember that thyristors are used as a switching device. Extract the information, draw out the symbols, write up what it means, okay? Get familiar with it. Know what you're talking about in reference to symbols. Now here, these are logic gates. Now be aware that there may have been some new gates added since this was done, because the technology is constantly changing, to look for any updates. Okay, I think that will be it for now. Okay, have a good day and thank you again, and be kind to yourselves.